So yeah, with VCF, you have a non-prem cloud where here I have two clouds. One I use for my management, one I use for my applications. And it's an entire cloud, so I have compute, storage, and network available in each of my clouds. And for instance, if I go to my VI1 Paris cloud or workload domain, VCF workload domain, I can access my compute and storage, centrally compute and storage from here. And at the end, for the compute and storage component of VCF, I go to the vCenter you most likely know. And if I want to access my network services or network and security services component of this cloud, of this VCF workload domain, it opens my VCF component doing network and security of that cloud. One thing on the security, to be able to do security in my cloud, I need an extra add-on license on top of the VCF license.
So this will be VDefend and
VDefend, yeah. And it has multiple, they have multiple add-ons depending on what you want to consume. So based on the VDefend license you have, you may be able to go all the way down until up to IDS, IPS, NDR, NDA, or maybe limited to only microsegmentation, DFW, depending on the add-on license. But if you don't add any add-on license to VCF, you don't have any of the security.
Networking
you
features.
Have everything under networking. So what is it? You can build all your, like you do on compute, you can build virtual machines on network. You can build virtual networks. So virtual networks means logical routers. I have a few. We have two kinds of logical routers. The tier 0 logical router, which is your north-south communication to go from the physical fabric, the physical world, to the logical world. And it's highly available, it's highly scalable. Like you can see here, I have a single logical router, tier 0, that is doing north-south with my rack number 1, my rack number 2, so for scale and high availability. And then I go in the logical world, and I have multiple of internal logical routers and internal logical segments. I mean, it's a lab, so I don't have so many, but you can have hundreds, thousands of those. And so you can do routing, you can do switching, you can do IPsec, you can do NAT on your routers, you can do load balancing on your routers, and DNS, DHCP. DHCP, you don't see it here. It's an L2 thing, so it's